Today I'm gonna share with you how to track Calendly forms booking for Google Analytics 4. If you want to make a decisions and improve your business, and if you want to grow your business, you need to track Google Analytics 4. Because if you want to understand which type of audience visit my website and complete my forms, and if you want to understand which type of audience visit my website, like which type of device they are using and which locations, and here have lots of things. If you want to understanding this, you need to track Google Analytics 4. So first of all, you need to connect Google Track Manager with your website. So let's dive in to track these events. So you can see, yeah, this is my Google Track Manager. Yeah, and I need to connect the Google Track Manager with our website, and this is my Google Track Manager code. You can see this, and I already connected Google Track Manager on my website, and this is my website. When I check this, it is connected or not, then you can see this Google Track Manager connected on my website header sections. Google Track Manager already said paste this code as high in the header sections of the page as possible. Okay, I already connected this, and it is working very well. So now you need to enable a Google Track Manager, and now you need to enable data layer on your website. I already enabled data layer with my website. So I am using a JavaScript code. This code made 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪, and this code very awesome. If you need this code to enable data layer, you just message me on my LinkedIn profile. I will give LinkedIn URL in this video description. Just check it, and you can see this. Yeah, and every information here available. Okay, and this event name is Calendly_booked. And you can send every user data on Calendly forms, because you know Calendly didn't give any permissions to collect user data, but they are sent on request. And if you send any listener code, then it is possible to get their informations and user informations. So I already added everything. And if you need to connect the data layer video, how to enable data layer video, I already make a video. You just check this video. Okay, so yeah, my data layer already connected. When I check my data layer, this times I can see look like this data layer on my tag assistant. You can see this Calendly_booked, because our event name you already said. Okay, then when I go to click on this event, and when I check this data layer, and you can see this event name Calendly booked, email, first name, last name, full name, and this is my phone number. But I don't need this user information for our Google Analytics 4, because Google Analytics 4 didn't requirements. Google Track Manager, Google Analytics 4 have no requirements to send any user data. That's why I don't send any user information. If you send any user information like email or phone number, your Google Analytics account will be disabled. Be careful when you send this user information. So now we can tag our events. Which type of events? Our Calendly forms booking events. Okay, I will set up this. So how can track this? Go to Google Track Manager, but when you set up Google Analytics 4, this time you need to enable Google Track, because when you enable Google Track, this time Google Analytics 4 can understanding which type of audience visit your website, and then their data, every data they are collecting using Google Track. That's why we need to enable Google Track. So first of all, I will enable Google Track. So click on new, and then tag configuration, and our tag type will be Google Track, but I will select this one and the Google Analytics. So you can see this Google Track. So then here need one tag ID, and how can found this tag ID? Actually, this is our measurement ID. So go to Google Analytics 4 and click on this admin button. then you can see this data stream options under the data collections and modifications. Click on the data streams and you can select your website data streams. This is my website data stream. I click here and you can see data measurement ID and copy this measurement ID and go to Google Tag Manager and paste this code here. Okay, and I will use later this code. That's why I want to create variables. Okay, so then click on this one, then you can see here on options plus button to create a new variable. Okay, then again click on here and our tag variable type will be constant and this here and this name will be measurement ID. Okay, sorry, and paste here and set this one. Yeah, and you can see this our trigger automated add here initialization always. Yeah, it will be, I don't change this trigger, so click on save. Yeah, our tag name will be Google Tag. Okay, then save. Yeah, already Google Tag already done. Now I need to create tag to send the Calendly forms events. So but you need page view event. You need to send a page view event. So then if you want to send this page view event using Google Tag, then you can send it. It is possible. So how can I set up this? Click on configurations and click on add parameters and send _ page _ view. Here when you write down here TRUE2, this time your page view event will be setups done. And I don't send any page view events using Google Tag because here has some tricks. That's why if you want to understand these tricks, you can know me. But I will create a new events to send page view events in your Google Analytics 4. So write down here false. Okay, click on save. Yeah, our tag already set up done. Now I want to send page view event, then current events. Okay, so click on new and tag configurations and click on Google Analytics and Google Analytics GA4 events. And here right here measurement ID I already created on variable measurement ID. Sorry, this one. Okay, I will select this one. Yeah, this is found and event name will be page view. Actually this is GA4 schema. Okay, this is GA4 schema. Yeah, I always suggest you can follow Google Analytics 4 schema. So when you send these events, you can see here lots of events and name available. Okay, I will suggest you always follow these events. And if you want to send any custom events, you can send it, no problem. Okay, then page view events, our trigger will be always. I don't send any parameters. Okay, then GA4 the site and it will be page view. Okay, then click on set. Yeah, page view event done. Now I want to create a new tag to send Calendly forms event. So here tag configurations and click on tag analytics, Google Analytics, and tag type will be Google Analytics GA4 events and select my measurement ID and event name will be, you can send lead events generated the lead. Okay, generate the lead, or I will add here custom events here randomly booked. Okay, then event parameters I don't send any parameters. If your events available, if you want to send any parameters, you can send it, but be careful you don't send any user informations and email and phone number. Okay, then our trigger will be Calendly events. Okay, this event's name. I'll copy this on and create new variable. So sorry, trigger, and I will choose custom events and this is our trigger name and yeah, then save it. when actually our data layer working, when our forms will be, when form fill up will be completed, and this times our events will be fired. And I select these triggers. So write down here tag name for browser and then click on save. That's good. Our tagging setups totally done. Now I need to check our setups are done or not, it is working or not. Okay, so first of all I will go to Google Analytics 4. We can check multiple way, and I will right now I want to check two way it is working or not. Okay, so click on again admin and scroll down. You can find on options debug view under the data display. Okay, click on debug view. Yeah, I will stay here, then go to Google Tag Manager and click on preview. Okay, then tag instant and our website loaded. Yeah, just 1 second. Now I want to check our events working or not, so click on preview. Yeah, then yeah, our Google Tag Manager already connected here, and now I want to select my time. Okay, this is our time, and click on next and input my information and click on schedule event. Okay, you are scheduled. Okay, our form fill up already completed. Now I need to check our tag assistant. Okay, then click on continue, and you can see this Calendly booked events. Click on here and you can see this GA4 Calendly booked already success. Okay, you can see this. Oh, nice. Now I need to check our Google Analytics 4. Just wait 1 second. Yeah, you can see this our page view event working, and every parameters available here, like campaign and debug mode, like this here, page location, page referral, page title, source. I don't send any parameters, but they are already every parameters they are counting, right? And also this currently booked. You can see this every parameters are collected. Okay, that's mean our events already working very well, right? Yeah. Now our setup is totally done. Now I will talk about something Google Tag Gateway and server-side tagging, and another one is cookie consent compliance V2. It is most important. I believe that, because everyone need to track server-side tagging and tag gateway. Because you know, do you know that your Google Analytics or Tag Manager might not be tracking properly, even though it's installed on your website. Let me explain and how Google Tag Gateway can help. When someone visits your website, browser extensions like ad blocker or privacy tools often block requests to Google services like Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager. That means you lost valuable data about your website visitors and ad campaigns. Suppose example, you can see this our every events like page view events and Calendly booked event. It is working very well, right? But when I use an ad blocker like this ad blocker, this is our on extension ad blocker plus extensions. When I use this ad blocker on my website, this time you can see this. I will open this on, and you can see our every setups is okay, right? When I click on preview and I want to check our setup, our events passing and our setups go our Google Analytics 4 or not. Okay, then you can see yeah, our website totally loading. Okay, Okay, you can see this one. Our Google Tag Manager tags are not coming here. And when we complete our events, suppose, just wait, yeah, and select time, then input my information and click on schedule event. Just 1 second. Yeah, you can see you are scheduled. Okay, then I want to check our tag assistant. Wow, you can see our Google Tag GTM this code not found. Why? What's happened? Because I already set up every event and it is working a few minutes ago, but right now it is not working, not connecting. Why? You can ask these questions, right? And when you check Google Analytics 4, the sense you can't see any events. You can see. You can see no, because every one. Okay, and this is our ad blocker. Every tracking, every events tracking block this ad blocker. So I hope you understand this, right? And no data that making decisions and waste ad spend. Google create a free tool called Google Tag Gateway, which use Cloudflare to sense your Google Analytics and Tag Manager request through your own website domain instead of Google's default URL. This makes through request look like first-party traffic, with a browser and ad blocker are much less likely to block. Without Tag Gateway, your tracking accuracy drops, your reports are incomplete, and you might make poor decisions because you don't see the full picture. It is not a replacement for server-side tracking, but it is a gate. Free upgrade if you are running client-side tracking and want to protect your data. If you track server-side with first-party, then you can fix all the problem. So if you are care about accurate tracking for your Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Tag Manager, set up server-side tracking or Google Tag Gateway. And Google Tag and your Google Tag is good, so much good, better than, and if you when you set up server-side tracking, it is best. I will make a video about server-side tracking for Google Analytics 4 next time, and this time you can see which type of benefit you can find. Okay, if you want a full guide on how to configure it with Cloudflare, or if you how to set up the server side, drop a comment below or message me, and I will help you out. And another topic is cookie consent complaint B2. You know, in many countries like the European Union, United Kingdom, California, and Brazil, it's illegal to drop tracking cookies or collect personal data without user consent. And the fines, this under GDPR, you could be fined up to 20 million euro or 4% of your annual revenue, whichever is higher. In California, under CCPA, it's 7,500 for international violations. That's per person, per issue. So no small mistake could turn into a financial disaster. Now let's talk about your advertising account platform like Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn, and other social media sites. Don't play around with the privacy policies anymore. If your website isn't a privacy complaint, your ad could be restricted, your ad account could be disabled, or your business manager could be flagged. And here's the worst part: your ads like your ads event match quality will drop, which means poor ad performance, higher cost per lead, and bad reporting. So please don't ignore this. If your business locations available this law like GDPR, CCPA, okay, add a cookie consent banner to your website today. If you need a free easy solutions, tools like 𝗪𝗖𝗄𝗧 or 𝗪𝗖𝗄𝗧𝗏 and have lots of apps to install cookie banner there can help. Protect your business, stay legal, and keep your ad account safe. Hey, I am 𝗧𝗏𝗏 and server-side tracking specialist for make up decisions and grow your business through accurate tracking. If you have any further question and need advanced assistance, drop a comment, or you need any paid help, feel free to schedule a meeting at your convenience. I will provide contact details in this video description. Thanks for watching. See you soon.